Hello, it's Rick Bow again. You'll have to excuse my voice, I've kind of got laryngitis. But I was going to do a review on these two Honda generators. Haven't been making any videos. I've been helping my youngest daughter. She's starting a YouTube channel, and I've been helping her film on it. And if you have any kids in your family, you might want to check her channel out. It's a real kid-friendly, kind of a learning channel. It's rain or shine playtime, and mostly features my 2-year-old granddaughter. And I think we've got about 6 videos on it now, and really enjoy doing that. But I miss making videos for my own channel. Anyway, this first generator here, it's a EU 2000i, and then this other one is the EU 2000i companion 30 amp. And the reason I've got 2 of them is you use this parallel kit. You plug one side into that one into this one, then you can plug your RV directly into this 30 amp plug and run your 15,000 BTU air conditioner with both these generators running. We've used it several times. It works really good. These things are super dependable. They just sip fuel. You can run 8-9 hours on a gallon of fuel. And it's also got this 12 volt plug here. You can charge 12 volt batteries. It's unregulated though, so you don't want to just leave it on there too long. But it's pretty nice to get something going if you have a dead battery. You can access the spark plug right there. You can see where I've got this hour meter wired onto this plug wire. Kind of gives you a record of when you need to change oil and stuff like that. But also, there's your oil drain. Your air filter's behind here. There's your carburetor, choke. And I don't know when the last time this thing has been started, but they usually start on the first pull, unless it's been sitting for a long time. Oh, I've got to choke it. Really quiet. Very, very nice generators. They weigh around 50 pounds a piece, so they're not too bad to carry around. And I had a toolbox in the back of my pickup. I had them both mounted inside the toolbox with it locked. And you could just run your power cord from your trailer to the generators, and you don't have to worry too much about theft or anything because they were locked up in that toolbox. But anyway, that's about all I got on these things. But you know, they sell cheaper generators. These are probably right at $1,000 a piece. But I think for the quality that you're getting, you're better off just buying a good one the first time. And I don't think you can beat the reliability of these things. The Yamaha makes a good one, and I had a hard time deciding between the Yamaha and the Honda. But the Hondas actually have fuel pumps in them, and it's easier to add an extended run fuel tank. I think you can do it on the Yamahas, but it may not be quite as easy. But there's the control panel. Now the 30 amp one doesn't have a 12 volt outlet. It just has a 20 amp and then the 30 amp. But it's got a oil alert light, overload alarm, and output indicator. That'll be green if it's putting out electricity. Then you got an eco throttle. It just lets it go down to idle if it's not under load. And they recommend if you're going to run high load to take them off eco and leave them on high idle. But then this one has the two 20 amp plugs, then the 12 volt plug, and it's the same over here. Parallel outlet, operation outlets right here. You just have to hook the ground wire on there. And then these, excuse me, these don't really matter. Just plug them in, and really nice setup. Anyway, I'll try to make some more videos here shortly. If you have any comments, please comment, and I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time.